Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this Audi Q5. This is the SE 2-litre TDI Quattro, automatic, 7-speed, first registered 1st of September 2013 on a 63 registration. Just two former keepers from new, having completed just over 52,000 miles. It's a Euro 5 diesel engine, producing 175 brake horsepower. Manufacturer's claimed average 47.1 miles to the gallon. 159 grams of CO2, which is a tax band G, which is £215 a year road tax. Comprehensive service history with 6 services, last done December 20. Cambelt and water pump replaced July 21 at 52,000 miles, along with MOT until 2nd of July 2022 with no advisories. Good set of tyres, fronts are on 3.8mm of tread and the rears are on 3.5 and 4.7mm. There's a space saver spare wheel with inflator, all tools and locking wheel bolt are present. As with the exterior of this Q5, the interior is likewise in very good condition for its age and mileage. Isofix location points to both outer rear seats as well as the passenger front seat. Full stone leather interior with heated rear seats as well as heated front seats. Infotainment wise, AM/FM radio as well as DAB radio, CD player, auxiliary and SD input. Power tailgate, automatic lights and wipers, cruise control as well as voice control. Bluetooth connectivity for phone but not music streaming. This Q5 is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. The car is motor check clear, so there is no outstanding finance and the vehicle has not been involved in any insurance total loss claims. Full book packs present, as well as both remote control keys. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding warranties, part exchange valuation form, customer testimonials, as well as our interactive finance calculator with the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this video.